So many of us have been conditioned by family, culture, or society to be people that fit the standard. But we have been chosen to choose our own destinies and shape our own identities. Welcome back, warrior. Today, we are being vulnerable to our identities and affirming our belief systems. Belief systems that are rock solid and guide us to a future we desire. This audio file is designed to be listened to. Whether you're in the car, at home, or at work, you can plug this in your ear holes to help you rewire your subconscious mind into a purposeful, meaningful identity. Listen at your own risk, because this may change who you are for the better. For best results, put this audio file on repeat while you sleep. Let's begin. I am no longer a prisoner of mental exhaustion. My mind is not weak. It has simply carried burdens it was never meant to carry. Today, I set those burdens down. I release every unnecessary thought. I release every imagined argument. I release every fear that has stolen my attention. My mind becomes quieter with every breath. My energy returns because I no longer waste it fighting battles that exist only inside my imagination. I choose clarity over chaos. Every decision I make becomes easier because I know exactly who I am. I do not debate my values. I do not negotiate with my purpose. The strongest people are not those who make thousands of decisions each day. The strongest people remove the decisions that distract them from becoming who they were meant to be. I become that person now. I am disciplined before I am motivated. I understand that feelings change like the weather, but principles remain. I build my life upon principles. My routines become automatic. My habits become effortless. My actions reflect my identity instead of my emotions. Every repetition strengthens the foundation beneath my future. I no longer chase endless options. I understand that too many choices create weakness. Simplicity creates strength. I simplify my life. I simplify my goals. I simplify my focus. What truly matters becomes obvious because I refuse to waste my attention on what does not. I trust myself completely. I trust my judgment. I trust my preparation. I trust the person I am becoming. Every promise I keep to myself builds unshakable confidence. My confidence no longer depends on the opinions of strangers. It is built upon evidence. It is built upon consistency. It is built upon action repeated again and again and again. I protect my mental energy with intention. I choose what deserves my attention. I refuse to give my focus away to distractions designed to consume me. My attention is valuable. My attention creates my future. Every moment I reclaim becomes another brick in the life I am building. I am becoming mentally resilient. Pressure no longer overwhelms me. Pressure reveals me. Every challenge strengthens my thinking. Every obstacle sharpens my awareness. Every setback teaches me something I could have learned no other way. Difficulty is no longer my enemy. Difficulty becomes my teacher. I remain calm while others panic. I slow down before reacting. I breathe before responding. I create space between emotion and action. That space becomes my greatest strength. I refuse to allow temporary emotions to make permanent decisions. My peace becomes my advantage. I no longer fear hard work. Hard work energizes me because every effort brings me closer to the person I have envisioned for myself. I do not measure success by comfort. I measure success by growth. Every difficult step proves I am moving in the right direction. I forgive myself for the days I struggled. I forgive the moments I doubted myself. I forgive the mistakes that once defined me. Those moments prepared me for this one. I no longer carry shame. I carry wisdom. My past no longer weighs me down because it now serves as the foundation beneath my future. I wake each morning with renewed purpose. My first thoughts serve my mission. My first actions build momentum. I refuse to begin my day reacting to the world around me. I begin each day creating the world within me. My inner world determines my outer reality. I am becoming impossible to distract. Noise fades into the background. Comparison loses its power. Negativity cannot anchor itself inside a disciplined mind. I remain focused. I remain present. I remain committed. Every breath restores my mind. Every heartbeat reminds me that I have another opportunity to become stronger. I do not waste this gift. I honor it through action. I honor it through discipline. I honor it through consistency. I recognize that true strength is quiet. It does not seek attention. It does not demand recognition. It continues working when no one is watching. It continues growing when no one is applauding. I become stronger in silence because I understand that roots grow deep before trees grow tall. I am patient with my progress. Greatness is not built in a single day. Mountains are climbed one step at a time. Empires are built one brick at a time. Character is forged one decision at a time. Today I make the next right decision. Then I make another, then another. My future changes because my choices change. I refuse to surrender my peace to circumstances beyond my control. I control my thoughts. I control my actions. I control my response. That is enough. I do not waste energy chasing control over what was never mine to command. My mind grows stronger every single day. My focus becomes sharper. My discipline becomes deeper. My confidence becomes quieter. My purpose becomes clearer. Every sunrise reveals a stronger version of me because I choose growth every single day. I am no longer mentally exhausted. I am mentally prepared. Prepared to face resistance. Prepared to embrace discomfort. Prepared to remain disciplined when motivation disappears. Prepared to continue long after others have quit. I am becoming the warrior my younger self needed, calm under pressure, steady in uncertainty, unbreakable in adversity, focused in the middle of distraction, humble in success, courageous in failure, consistent through every season. Today I choose peace over panic, purpose over pressure, discipline over impulse, clarity over confusion, growth over comfort, action over hesitation. I am focused. I am disciplined. I am resilient. I am calm. I am prepared. I am in control. I am becoming stronger with every breath. I am becoming the architect of my own mind. And because I control my mind, I control my future.